are watching News Bites Philippines. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
AppGallery, one of the top 3 app marketplaces globally, has seen several milestones in its ongoing development, 1 year on from revealing plans to expand its mobile ecosystem during the MWC in 2020. The platform now has 2.3 million registered developers, a 77% increase from last year, and a diverse global audience of 530 million, demonstrating its growing influence on developers and mobile users around the world. The platform also saw app distribution reach 384.4 billion in 2020, 174 billion more than the previous year. Gaming is at the forefront of this expansion, with over 500% more games now available on the platform compared to a year ago. Huawei customers are amongst some of the first to experience innovative new gameplay across the world, with launches from the past year including AFK Arena, Asphalt 9, Legends, Clash of Kings and many more. AppGallery has concentrated its efforts in working with developers on both a local and global scale to bring the most relevant apps to users, helping boost the number of developers working with the platform and delivering more choices to consumers around the world. As part of this strategy, Huawei is also leveraging its expertise in China to help developers around the world tap into the country's lucrative app market. Considered a mobile-first society, China is home to over 904 million mobile internet users with an estimated app download figure of over 100 billion, and AppGallery has helped over thousands of overseas developers to penetrate the growing mobile economy in China in the last 12 months. Visit our website to learn more.
Thank you for watching. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.